What we're going to do is we're actually going to make a Christmas cake.
Don't you have to make your Christmas cakes in September, Si?
No, not with this one, Dave. You see what he did there? Was good, that one. Not with this one, because it's a relatively quick one.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zest an orange, a lemon and a lime.
I am going to cream together some butter and some sugar.
That's splendid, isn't it? Look at that, all that butter and sugar, the greatest things in this world. Getting the aroma now, that sugary, buttery aroma.
I'm going to add 4 eggs.
So what was Christmas like when you were a child, John?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was just very... I remember the K's catalogue. Do you remember the K's catalogue?
Yes.
And you sort of sensed that, you know, there was potential here. You may receive some of these things at Christmas.
Yeah.
It's on its way.
Yeah.
Santa's coming, yeah. And what do you do? What traditions do you maintain?
I always have a tradition whereby from Christmas Eve to New Year's Day, you're allowed to have chocolates for breakfast.
That's brilliant.
But I just love the sense of doing absolutely nothing and just going at the pace of the days, just how they unfold. People visit, you might stroll out somewhere, long country walks.
So do you like winter? Is that one of your favourite seasons?
Yes, I do. I think it's the most beautiful time of year, astronomy season for one thing.
Yes.
So the frosts tend to give you those beautiful, piercingly clear skies.
Absolutely.
And I love that time of the day, you know, the late afternoon, winter sunsets, when the stars start to come out. It's just wonderful to get out into that.
Fab. Now I'm going to add our spices. So we have cinnamon, mace, allspice, nutmeg and cloves and a little bit of cardamom. There we go.
Ah, splendid.
And then we're going to take the juice of an orange and the flour. And then we add some ground almonds and this little beauty. This is orange blossom water. Have a smell. And it just gives...
You don't want to cook with it, you dab it behind your ears.
Exactly. So, and that's the basic mix.
But there isn't that much of it, is there?
No.
And that's the thing with Christmas cake. This is what you want in it. Basically, I've got the zest of my orange, my lemon and my lime. It's quite nice, isn't it? Now,
It's all your 5 a day in one glorious cake mix.
You got 15 in this one, John. And I've got some dried apricots, currants, raisins and sultanas. The inevitable glacé cherries, orange and lemon candied peel. And now this is something we always do in a fruit cake, dried pineapple. And our nut of choice for this cake is cashew nuts. So we give this a stir, and then, again, to continue with our almost kind of tropical theme, using 100 millilitres of white rum.
Oh, yes.
The only waiting time in this cake is we need the flavours in here to develop for at least 24 hours. Now, 3 days ago, I did one.
Aha.
Now, we should get a bit of a hoof.
It even looks more relaxed, doesn't it? It's a bit like that.
It's plumped up. Excellent, John.
Oh, my gosh. There should be them plug-in air fresheners that smell like that.
It is. You could can that, couldn't you?
I love that. That'd be brilliant. There's a room spray at Christmas, wouldn't it? Oh.
Look at that. That's quite glorious.
It is. Look at the colours. And now we're just going to fold it in and make sure it's thoroughly mixed in.
On cookery programmes, they always say, prepare your cake tin. Well, we've done this, but we want to show you how. It's a normal cake tin. We've greased the bottom with some butter and cut a disc of baking parchment that fits the bottom of that tin.
Yeah.
Now it needs what I liken to a chef's hat. And what it does is it stops the top of the cake from burning, because this cake is going to be in the oven for about 3 hours.
I have to say, this is a heavy mix. There we go.
And very impressive at short notice as well, like you say.
Absolutely. Well, we've got the President of the United States round. We've got Brian Cox. We've had them all. We've had them all.
Now, this needs to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After the hour, turn it down to 150 degrees Celsius, but keep an eye on it because ovens can vary. Having gone to this bother, you don't want your cake to, well, to come out like a rusk. Thank you. There we go. See you later.
Oh, look.
The cake is in the house.
Look at that.
Now, remember, that's been cooked at 180 for 1 hour, then 2 hours at 150 Celsius, left to cool, removed from the tin, and that is our Christmas cake. But you know when you first put your tree up without the decorations, it doesn't look up to much.
No. Well,
It'd do for me. I can imagine eating that with my bare hands. In a cave somewhere. That would do for me. I can sense the texture of that.
Because it's Christmas, we have to make an effort, don't we?
We
mate?
do.
We do. What we've got in here is apricot jam. We're going to melt it down, and then...
We're going to apply marzipan. So what we do is, you look at that, you think, it's awful lumpy.
Yes, it is.
What we could do is, you could cut that off.
No, waste of cake.
Waste of cake. So what we do is, clean hands, flip your cake, and we put the marzipan on that side.
Flat surface. This is our apricot jam, nice and liquid. And this is the glue that's going to stick our wonderful marzipan to our lovely Christmas cake. And all you do is that.
It's like you're varnishing a piece of good quality woodwork.
It's exactly that. It's exactly that.
I was thinking more about botching up a bitumen tarred roof.
There we are.
Look at that shine. Look at that depth of colour.
It's like Rembrandt's loft.
There we go. And there is our cake ready to receive its lovely winter coat.
We've bought ready-rolled marzipan. Look at that.
Oh, I think it's going to work,
Yeah.
dude.
Oh, look at that.
It is, and we just mould that down with your hands. Oh, look how smooth that is. We'll cut this round here. Mr. King, make it beautiful.
Now, this is a blowtorch.
It is the weapon of a Jedi.
Now, I'll turn this off so you can hear. What we're going to do is we're going to blister the marzipan. We want it to go a slightly lovely caramel colour. Nice and gently does it.
Oh, it's beginning to sizzle.
Oh, look at that. There's no mistaking it when it starts to fizz.
There we go.
It's beginning to resemble a giant macaroon.
It is.
It's what you want.
The force will be with you always.
Thank you, John.
Now, over here, we've got all manner of decorations. We've got the ubiquitous sprig of holly. That's a good bit.
Oh, nice.
That'll do. But we're just going to use those as like almost Christmas decorations on the cake. Not for eating, but for show. I mean, things like this, we can use this. It's an edible spray. You know, we can have gold cinnamon.
Beautiful oranges as well.
And now, this is the good bit. Look at this. Looks like kind of little Christmas trees covered in snow.
Yeah, heavy with frost and snow. Beautiful.
And we're going to show you how to do that. What you do is get an egg white in a bowl and just lightly beat the egg white. And we use sprigs of rosemary. Dip it in the egg white. And just dip your rosemary in the caster sugar. And literally leave that to dry for an hour or two. Out in the open, you end up with this. Your very own little Christmas tree.
Beautiful.
Right, so this is our palette of decorating ingredients. Should we start with this? Where?
Yeah. Just push it in so it stays in place.
I can put that there, so it's...
Oh, that's nice, Dave. Just that, actually.
Yeah.
Looks lovely.
There's one on the other side. Symmetry is everything. Some of the oranges.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2.
I think that one there is
Just the one.
fantastic.
Okay. Or cinnamons. Let's have a couple of gold cinnamon
Oh, we've got
sticks.
to. Crossover. Beautiful.
Because it is a spiced Christmas cake, so we want to give that idea of spice. But just to finish that little coronet. I think, do you think that's enough sight?
I certainly do.
Yes.
A work of art, that.
And I've cut the size.
Oh.
Well, that is our last minute spiced Christmas cake, John.
That is wonderful. What a work of art that is.
Well, it's as much for eating as decoration.
Absolutely.
Go on, Kingy, let's have a slice.
Are we allowed to now?
Yes, we are.
Waited for this.
Let's go here.
Got just the right amount of resistance, isn't it, the cake? It sort of fights back a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, my
Oh,
goodness
yes, look at
gracious.
that. Oh, it's a good looker.
Right, come on, let's go.
May I? My mother used to say it was always too nice to cut.
What do you reckon? Good?
Oh. I think this is a wonderful cake. It's so beautiful. It was so wonderful to witness how you made it. And the marzipan, I'm going to use it as my hair for when it's raining. And that's going to be so fantastic. You would not believe how great that cake is. It's a great cake. It's fantastic. I love how you did that. That is fantastic.
Last minute Christmas cake. Rich, fruity, and spectacular.